To hide Instagram following list. Firstly, you have to install the Instagram app in your Android by the Play Store. Then open the Instagram app in your Android. This is the desktop page of the Instagram app. Then click on your profile icon. Then click on the three lines on the right of the corner. Then after scrolling, you click on the account privacy. Before this, make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Now enable this. Click on switch. By enable it, your following list is hide. That was all. You can do this on your Android as well as in your iPhone. I hope that you have found value in this video. Also, please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thank you so much.